In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize tip options in Fresha. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just getting started, keeping your sales configuration up to date can make a big difference in how smooth your operations run. Tipping is an essential part of many service-based businesses, and customizing these settings can help cater to both your needs and those of your clients. So, let's get started. First, you're going to log into your Fresha dashboard. As you arrive on the main overview, take a glance at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a column of various icons. Look for the gear icon. This is where your settings are housed. Go ahead and click on it to open the settings menu. Once you're in the settings, keep your eyes peeled for the Sales section. This is where you'll manage everything related to your business transactions. Click on Sales to dive into more detailed settings related to your financial interactions with clients. The next step involves tweaking the tipping settings. On the left-hand side, within the Sales settings, you'll find an option titled Tipping. Clicking on this will direct you to the tipping configuration page where you can make edits to your default tip values. Once you're on the tipping page, you'll notice that there are preset default tip values listed. These values are what your clients see when they decide on how much of a tip to include along with their payment. To make changes, look for the Edit button, which will allow you to customize these values further. Let's say you have a particular tip value you'd like to remove. Perhaps it's not working for your clients, or you've received feedback suggesting a change. Locate the trash icon next to the specific value you wish to delete. By clicking on this trash icon, you are removing that tip option from what your clients will see. After you've made the necessary adjustments, it's crucial to ensure these changes are saved. So, look towards the top of your screen for the Save button. Clicking this will apply all the changes you've made to the tipping options. And there you have it. Customizing your tip settings in Fresha is a straightforward process that can really enhance the client's checkout experience. By adjusting these options, you can align them with what works best for your business, encouraging generosity and ensuring smooth transactions. Remember, maintaining an updated and user-friendly sales setup is key to operating efficiently and keeping your clients satisfied. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your business with